What's up, travelers? It's Eliz from Means to Travel, and I'm coming to you guys from our Airbnb here in Portsmouth, England, with another helpful travel tip for our series on this channel, Travel Tip Tuesdays. In today's tip, I just wanted to do another packing suggestion, and it is to bring a Sharpie with you whenever you travel. And not just any Sharpie, I always bring one of the dual-sided Sharpies. So this one has the fine tip point here, and then on the other side is the ultra fine tip. So what I have found super helpful in my travels is I would use the ultra fine tip for signing anything that needs to be signed when I'm out and about, or if I've forgotten to, for example, sign the back of a credit card. And in Europe, there's always people checking the signatures, much more so than in America, I've found. It's nice to be able to quickly sign it with the back of this pen. Then with this other side, I have run into all these scenarios where I've needed a Sharpie. So for example, I'll use this to label different Ziploc bags if I'm at an Airbnb and perhaps need to label anything I'm putting into the freezer. Or another scenario is that I've gone to a vineyard with Derek in the middle of wine country in Italy, and the vineyard walls, on the actual walls inside of the tasting room, they had people from all over the world use Sharpies to sign the walls about where they're from. So it really runs the gamut on what you might need a Sharpie for, but it's always helpful to have one in your day bag wherever you go. So I hope you found this tip helpful. Let me know if you already pack a Sharpie in the comments below, or if this is something maybe you might add to your packing list moving forward. And if you have any other travel tips that you want to share with this community, definitely feel free to do so in the comments as well. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up down below too, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy this channel and want to hear more travel tips and other travel related content to come. Thanks for watching. Happy travels, everyone. Cheers. Bye.
Hey travelers, don't forget to subscribe, and let's hang out more. Here are some links to other helpful travel videos on my channel, and press that notification bell so you don't miss any new and awesome travel videos to come.